Hello guys, today it's the Friday, the 2nd of October 2020. I will explain you how I made my picks. So here is the table that comes from the AI software, as you can see over here. So it seems that the actual games for today are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 leagues. So Brazil Serie B, Croatia the first league, then in Netherlands the second league, Eerste Divisie, the first league of France, the Serbian Superliga, and then the Finnish Veikkausliiga, as you can see here. And here are the games that are according to its league. So we have those four numbers. So how we do it? Let's make it live. So for example, I want to analyze this first match. So if you see here, I press this button, analyze, and it takes it up to here. And from this line, I get those numbers. So we talked about it before in the previous video, and we said that we're looking for indicators of more than 65%. So we see that nothing is more than 65, so we don't actually look at this match at all. So then we go to the next match. It's Operário against Vitória, and against in Brazilian Serie B. We see that we have an indicator over here, which is over 65, under 2.5 goals. So let's try and see if we can bet or not. So if we just copy this name, Operário, and then if we go to Bet365, we write the name, Operário over here, we go inside the game and we try to find under 2.5 goals. So we say that we have 1.53. So if we go back to our prediction software, we see that it's 1.52, 65% that we have. But we're looking for more than 160 in order to find value. And in order for the prediction to fit our system. So we cannot pick it. If it was more than 160, we could have picked it. But you can see that our prediction analysis model has actually given the same percentage. So that's a thing that tells us that our prediction model works, because we know that Bet365 or other bookmakers, their model is very, very good. It's hard for a bettor to actually achieve a correct percentage. It's because of the lack of data that we have. They have data analysts, they have more information than what we do. So we need to figure out a system that actually would try to be as close as their statistical model. And then have a correct, somehow, let's say, analysis or a betting system that can help us win money in the long run. So let's check the next match. You can see it's again from Brazilian Serie B. So here we have an indicator under 2.5 goal or no GG. That means for both teams not to score. Okay, so let's go and find this match. It's Paraná over here. It's probably this one. So if we go to the goals, you can see under is 1.40. Over here 1.40. We have exactly the same again. We want it to be more than 160 in order to pick it up. And let's see, no GG. If you go for both teams to score, it's here. It's 1.53. So this still is not a pick anymore. So let's go to this one. Actually, I have done this before, and I have actually picked the matches that I want to play. So it's those two matches, as you can see, from Croatia and Veikkausliiga. Then we have this match over here. Then we have the French league Paris Saint-Germain, and then we have from Netherlands NAC Breda against Young Ajax. So let's verify the matches. Let's see how how I made the picks. You can see that in this match, Lokomotiva against Istra from Croatia, I have picked under. And yesterday that I made it, it was 1.95. So let's see today if it's actually the same or it's smaller, this one right now. So we see that the indicator is for under 2.5 goals, only this one. So let's go and check. Lokomotiva against Istra, it's this one. It's at 6 o'clock the match. And let's go to under. It's 1.80. So yesterday that I made the picks, so it was one day, it was 195. That means that we found the value. So we found the mistake in their model. As you can see, it's right now it's 190. So they give more probability. We have it 140. Our model predicts 140, 72%, and they started from 195, and right now they have it 180. I believe until 6 o'clock it will even go smaller. So yesterday that I picked it, it was 195. Now if you try to bet on it, it will be 180. So you can still bet on it. It's more than 160 that we actually won and have. So let's go on the next match. HIFK over here. It seems that we have an indicator under 2.5 goal again. So let's check it. ISFK against Honka. So goals. You can see over here it's 165. So it's okay. This is a good pick as well. Then, so we have this one, we have this one. Let's go and check Lahti. Analyze the match. We see that we don't have an indicator. Let's go then to the next match. Not an indicator. Let's go to the Dutch Eerste Divisie. Analyze the match. It seems that we have an indicator over 2.5 goal, or the away team to win, or both teams to score. We have 3 indicators here. Yesterday that I made the pick, it was the away team 1.85 to win. So let's see again today. This match over here. So it's 175 right now. Yesterday it was 180. We still can pick it. I have already made the bet, those first 2 bets. I made a bet like this and then those 2 in another bet because they are at the same time. So, and if I see any loss on those bets, then I will probably on the same FS play this with this as another bet. So we were on this over here. Let's check the Go Ahead Eagles against Utrecht. Okay, it seems that we have an indicator in over 2.5 goals. Let's go and check. It's this one, goals. Over 2.5 goals, it's 1.47, it's less than 160, so we don't pick it. Then we go to the Serbian Superliga. We see that the home team to win is 67%, so this is the indicator. Plus, no GG is another indicator. Let's see if this is a bet. Right now, the home team to win is 1.44, but yesterday it was 1.61, and I made the pick. So for you right now, it's not a pick because it's only 140, but yesterday it was 161, so I made the pick. So you can go no GG. Let's check this. Goals. Both teams to score no. Both teams to score no. It's 180. So this is also a good bet. You can bet on that as well. It's 180. So we can write here node G, which is 1.8. There. Okay, let's check also the French league over here. Analyze the match. We see that its node G is also an option. So let's find it. Goals, the wonder. Both teams to score. No, it's 175, which is, this is a pick. Let's correct it. And then let's check also this match over here. No indicator. This one. We get an indicator over here for the home team to win, 73%. Only this one, which is Nakprenda against Yok Ajax. Let's check the game. Again, it's 165. This is also a bet. 165. And then let's check the last match over here from Brazilian Serie B. So we see that under 2.5 goals is an indicator. Let's check. Goals. Okay, under 2.5 goal is 1.44, so this is not a bet as well. So if we delete, if we filter out the blanks, so those are the picks that we made for today. So we have 2 bets at 6 o'clock, 6 and 6:30. Then 2 more bets, 2 matches. So this will be 1 bet. This will be another bet at the same time, around the same time. And then depending on if we lose a bet, we're gonna have this one as a bet. So if we go to our logbook, you see that I have already made the bets. So FS7 and FS8. So on FS7, I bet on the second line, 24.26. See it over here. And then on FS8, I made, it's the first line, the first bet, 17.24. And this is, if we go here, this should be the 26th and 27th step out of the 36 that we want in 24 days. We go back here, yes, FS8 and FS7, as we said before. So good luck, guys. I hope you play the matches and you win with me. And we have a big weekend, Saturday, Sunday. I hope to do like 3-4 wins in one day and 3-4 wins in the other day. On the other days, you can see Saturday. Look how many. Okay, this is Saturday the 3rd. Look how many matches we have to analyze. And this is Sunday. Look how many. Okay, that's it for today. See you tomorrow with the results and the upcoming bets.